What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So, Don with the Don Fron Show, and if you have not been under a rock looking at tech or anything like that, or maybe you've noticed, Amazon shot up. So that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. The short, sweet, to the point. It beat something. Who cares about the numbers? The reaction was green. The reason I don't delve too much into that is because, one, you don't usually come here for the earnings numbers. Two, how many times have you seen something beat and then it sell off, right? Like there's the numbers game, that's cool, but it's not always the reaction. So I have to focus on the reaction more. And if we're looking at Amazon, you can clearly see the reaction was positive. The only thing, first of all, Facebook yesterday just tanks the market, sells off. Now, as far as my Amazon play goes, I was long Amazon yesterday. I bought a $29.90 call. It was $8,000. Today they were $4,000. So I did buy one more. I do have two of those. So total of an average of 6,000. So about 12,000 into it. As it sits right now, I'm $195 in the money. So back to back with Google, banging. But in the end, that is an earnings gamble. It's the same money I would take to the roulette table. That's not, if you've been following my strategy for a while, maybe you're new here, mine's more of an income approach. It's consistent. I don't take the home run plays, but sometimes they happen. As far as earnings go, don't get me wrong or make you think anyone's got it figured out. I was also long this Amazon earnings, and that was just a clean zero. But I will say, I'm pumped about this. If we hold this right here and wake up to that in the morning, I will have made up for that loss. And then some. So kind of pumped about that, but I found it very curious where the sellers showed up. Amazon still keeps the trend down. Ran into that zone, but clearly nothing but sellers above. We actually tagged that top zone. It's a speed bump zone. Jumped in, tagged that, ultimately held right here. So the bears, Winnie the Pooh and all his friends showed up, held the ground right here. So tomorrow, I guess the question is, do we continue as at a gap and go? Do we bull flag, or do we reverse and head back down? And I gotta say right now, I'm probably gonna be locking in my calls in the morning. I did the same thing with Google. As soon as it opened up, I was in a different situation, so I had to lock those in. But tomorrow, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take the money and call it good. Typically in a play like this, I would trail things. I'll buy and trail, put my stop loss in the green. This is I'm going to buy and it's going to go to zero, or I'll see how much money I have in the morning kind of play. So I don't mind that. Like I said, this isn't one of my usual plays as far as mentality goes. But that being said, all the things to it, I've seen a lot of people say, are we buying puts in the morning? And I think that's a knee-jerk reaction, but I'd say you were onto something because we are right here. I told you guys I wanted to buy Amazon puts right here, and it started to push up, and I missed it. And I said, well, we're probably going to hit that zone. I thought we'd bounce here and hit that zone. We just melted off. And then, so technically I was right because I thought today we'd hit that zone, and then I'd go short Amazon, and it went down. But it's still today, and we hit that zone. So tomorrow, I think I am looking at shorting it for now. I don't think the narrative certainly hasn't changed. If we're watching the 10-year, which I know a lot of the big guys are, again, they think the dip buy is at 2.5. So if we see that, now this will ebb and flow. This will go up and down. I don't really care. That's my alert for, let's check this out later if it lines up with the market bottom there. But, as this pushes up and down, if we're going to grind our way up here, tech does stand to take the beating the most out of all of those. So as it sits right now, I do think I am going to short Amazon tomorrow. If we gap up, I'm going to hang out. I'm just gonna wait. Aside from, when I say gap up, I mean from here, like not from down here. Is it a gap and go? Are we above this zone? I'm going to hang out and wait. Getting back below this zone or rejecting, I do think I am going to short it for now. So anyway, that's my reaction. That's earnings. Obviously, I'm super pumped. But there's a lot of people, especially in chats. There's quite a few people in my chat that are also swinging Amazon bullish. They took the earnings play, which never is not a gamble as far as that goes. So shout out to all you guys, but do not think this is a bulletproof system or you're just gonna gamble all your earnings and then see what happens, because you will lose. In fact, the one guy that's been taking all these trades with me so you've heard me talk about him, Jake, on my YouTube channel. He's one of the admins. He actually said it the other day. He said, because he's been on a streak lately. He's been killing it. He even said, you guys have to realize I've been doing this since 2018, getting hammered, and now I'm finally making money. Like, what if you think you're about to hit that next earnings play? What if it's just 2018 for you? It's money you should not care about losing. Should not be losing any sleep over. Yeah, I'm excited, but that could have been just as easily a red candle. All emotions are the same. Anyway, all I did here, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up. Let me know, what are you guys doing with Amazon? Are you buying it? You shorting it? Did you play it? And how are you going to manage it? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.